in Berlin, Germany: 1. Brandenburg Gate. This iconic landmark is a must-visit when in Berlin. It is a symbol of the city's unity and is located in the heart of the city too. Berlin Wall. The Berlin Wall is a historic site that divided the city for almost 30 years today. It is a popular tourist attraction and a reminder of the city's past. 3. Reichstag Building. The Reichstag Building is the seat of the German parliament and is known for its impressive glass dome. Visitors can take a guided tour of the building and enjoy panoramic views of the city from the dome. 4. Museum Island. Museum Island is home to 5 world-renowned museums, including the Pergamon Museum, the Alte Nationalgalerie, and the Bode Museum. It is a must-visit for art and history lovers. 5. Checkpoint Charlie. Checkpoint Charlie was the most famous border crossing between East and West Berlin during the Cold War. Today, it is a popular tourist attraction and a reminder of the city's divided past. 6. Berlin Zoo. The Berlin Zoo is the oldest and most famous zoo in Germany. It is home to over 20,000 animals and is a great place to visit with family and friends. 7. Charlottenburg Palace. Charlottenburg Palace is a beautiful Baroque palace located in the west of Berlin. Visitors can take a guided tour of the palace and its gardens. 8. Berlin Cathedral. The Berlin Cathedral is a stunning Baroque church located on Museum Island. Visitors can take a guided tour of the cathedral and enjoy panoramic views of the city from its dome. 9. Potsdamer Platz. Potsdamer Platz is a bustling square in the heart of Berlin. It is home to numerous shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues. 10. East Side Gallery. The East Side Gallery is a 1.3 kilometers long section of the Berlin Wall that has been turned into an open-air gallery. It is home to over 100 murals and is a must-visit for art lovers.